Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to start selling products online with zero hassle? In this video, I will show you how to set up the Shopify Starter Plan, perfect for beginners who want a quick and low cost way to sell on social media or with the direct links. Let's get started. Shopify Starter is the most affordable plan, just $5 per month. You don't get a full website, but you can create product pages, share checkout links, sell through Instagram, Facebook, or messaging app. Perfect for creators, influencers, or small sellers. Now, go to shopify.com/starter or just visit Shopify's homepage. Search for shopify.com. Then click the pricing section. Then choose a plan or enter your email address. Then click Start Free Trial. Then enter your password. Then click Login. Or create an account with your email password and store name. Follow the setup process and choose the starter plan when prompted. After logging in, you will see your dashboard. From your dashboard, click Products tab from the left sidebar and add a new product. Fill in your product title, description, price, images. Optional, add variants like size or color, then click Save. So, give it a title like T-shirt or stylish hoodie. You can generate text from here with Shopify AI. Change the tone like expert, then keep. Then upload your photo from your dashboard. Then set a price like 500. Then select the variants tab and select color, size, fabric, or any other option from here. Then click the Save button from the upper right corner. Even without a full website, you can still make your product page look great. Upload clear product photos, write a compelling description, and add any shipping or guarantee information. Now, go to Settings tab from your dashboard, then select Payments or connect PayPal or a manual payment from this page. For manual payment method, just click on it and select your payment method, like create custom payment method. If you are uh, using the Payoneer, just enter your method name like Payoneer. Then add your Payoneer account, email, address, and additional details. Then click Activate. Follow the prompts to verify your details. Once your product is live, go back to it and click Share. You will get a checkout link. Copy that and share it on Instagram bio, Facebook posts, WhatsApp, or email. wherever your audience is. Now go to domain section from here and you can buy one directly through Shopify or connect your own. Click buy new domain, then search for your domain like myshop.com or .co and then buy one from here or click connect existing domain from the page and enter your domain and next. This helps your link look more professional. As orders come in, you will see them under the orders tab. From your dashboard, go to orders tab and you can fulfill manually or integrate with the dropshipping tool later. Customers will get automated receipts and you will stay organized. Now let's talk about Shopify's starter plan, pros and cons. Pros of Shopify starter plan. Affordable price, only $5 per month, ideal for beginners and budget conscious sellers. Quick setup, no coding or complex setup required. You can start selling in minutes. Sell anywhere. Share product links via social media, email, WhatsApp, or anywhere online. Mobile friendly checkout. Professional Shopify checkout optimized for all devices. Built-in payment options. Supports Shopify payments and PayPal, making it easy to get paid. Use with Instagram and Facebook, perfect for creators who want to monetize their social following. Cons of Shopify Starter Plan. No full website. You don't get a customizable online store or blog, only product pages. Limited branding control. You can't design your own store layout or deeply customize the look. No apps or advanced features. Limited access to the Shopify App Store and marketing tools. Not ideal for large catalogs. Best for small inventories or single product sellers. Minimal SEO and traffic tools. Not ideal if you are relying on search engines for traffic. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. If you found this video helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more e-commerce tips.